Hello, beautiful. Nikki here from Crazy Simple Truth Ministries. And today I'm going to reload and redo my bag that I take to church. And I thought maybe you would like to see me do that. So I have this really not very cute bag. I want to say it was a Mr. Penn product, but they have upped their game so much. And so I have a new bag that I'm going to be using. So we're going to look and see what's in here. There's some mints, some breath strips. Oh, I need to fill that up. A bookmark. Who knows what I'm going to pull out of here. Some garbage. You guys are going to get the whole deal here. Okay, that's all there is in there. So let's see what else there is. I've got some other mints. Wow, I'm worried about bad breath at church, aren't I? And some other mints. I've got some Kleenex. I've got some highlighters. These are just too light. I do not like them. So I'm ready to put some new highlighters in my church bag. Got some lip gloss and some chapstick, a pen, and some Post-it notes. Let's see what all I got. Oh, gas medicine. That's for my husband. That's hilarious. Some posties. This is my Bible that I take to church. I don't know if any of you have ever seen this, seen that this is what I have or not, but here it is. It's the Encourage Devotional Bible. Now, the thing I don't like about it is that it's a devotional Bible. I don't like devotionals. I just don't. I like to study the Bible. I just want the Word of God. However, it has space for writing, and that is why I got it. What I do is I date the sermon. So this was June of 23. I date the sermon and then I write my notes in it. So you can kind of see how I do that. I don't have a set way of doing it. I just do whatever comes to me at the moment. Okay. So this was clearly a sermon that we went through April, May, June. I may have written in some other sections of the Bible at this time, but this is what I have going on, okay? It's kind of this green theme that goes along with this Bible. So now I have these new things. First of all, these are my new highlighters. Are they not gorgeous? I am so in love with them. Mr. Penn has the coolest things these days. I've got two Bible bags. I loved them both and didn't know which one I wanted to use. This one's super classic looking and kind of classy. And then this one's just fun. So I'm like, which one do I use? I think I'm going to use the fun one for church. I don't know. It's such a hard decision. These look beautiful with this. So let's close the Bible again. Yeah, I think I'll use this for one that I carry around at home, and I will use this for my new church bag. See, it's got the little Mr. Penn logo on the zipper. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Don't ever go to a church that the people don't carry their Bible. Now that's interesting. The ribbon doesn't quite reach the bottom of my Bible. A little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put a pen in there. So I got these new pens from Mr. Penn. I ordered these the other day because I have some other ones, and I don't like the colors, and these colors are gorgeous and really go along with this. And so I'm going to put one of these in here. I think I will use this green color since there's a good green in that. I'm going to put that here, and I'm actually probably should bring two pens because my husband always asks me for one. So I'm probably just going to put this one back in. Now we're going to put the highlighters in. So these are gorgeous, you guys. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. I have had them out of this box and used them, and I love them. And they are so cool looking. I would not really spend any money on any other highlighter brand now. They have stepped up their game so much with the quality of the things that they have. They used to have, their lids used to be kind of hard to get off, and they're not at all. So I absolutely love these highlighters. So I'm going to stick these in here. Oh, aren't they cute? Look at the shape. Oh, they're so cool, and they feel so good in your hand. So I'm going to stick these all in here. I will be bringing these got that nice green color, this cool blue. If you want to see the colors tested out in my Bible, let me know in the comment section and I will do that. I'll do a video with that. The other thing I want you to tell me in the comments is, do you have a Bible or a book that you, or a bag that you take to church that you specifically use for church to take notes? If you do, let me know what you carry in it. So I've got these Post-it notes. I kind of have this green theme going on, so that's why I have that. I could bring some of these things with me, which this would be great for church notes. Oh my goodness, this would be great for church notes. Because sometimes he goes to different places in the Bible, but he'll tell us to stay in the place where he was. And so I could write this would be perfect for church notes. I love this idea. And then every once in a while, I will mark the top of something. Let's see if this is one of them. Nope, there's only one. There's only one. It says, heart that is willing. Can you see it? There it is, heart that is willing. So apparently whatever the message was that day, it reminded me that I wanted to have a heart that is willing. So it's Exodus 35, verse 5. It says, take up an offering among you for the Lord. Let everyone whose heart is willing bring this as the Lord's offering. And it gives all the things that you give. I love that. A heart that is willing. So when I write in this Bible, it's usually not really nice writing because I'm at church, it's on my lap, and it's just not always nice writing. But, this message went with this one. So 2:12 of 23. And then we did it again. We revisited on 8:20 of 23. So that is probably part of that. So anyway, yes, these flags would be great to flag at the top in case there was something that I wanted to make sure that I come back to. Those are gorgeous in there. I love that. Okay, what did I do with my green posties I just had? Did I stick them in there? I don't know what I did with them. Okay, but I gotta show y'all something. You know what? I'm gonna show you in the next video. You're gonna have to wait till the next video to see it. But this is set. I'm gonna put my Post-it notes in there. I will put my mints. Let's see if they'll fit in the front again. Yes, there's a pocket in the front. So I'm gonna put all my mint collection in there. My husband's gas medicine. There's nothing worse than being in church with a husband who has an upset stomach. Don't mean to be gross, but you know what? Keeping it real here. There's some really old lip gloss that I really need to replace, and I really need to refill my hand sanitizer. Oh, we got the tissues too. You know, quite honestly, I don't need that many mints. Do you guys bring mints to church? Am I just crazy? Okay, let's see. These are really good, by the way. I love these. I'm gonna put them in here. It's gonna be really hard to get them out of here, but I'm gonna put them in here. I'm eating one right now. That's why I'm chewing. Sorry. Look at that. Okay. Put those in there. Zip that baby up. And zip it up here. That is super nifty. Look at how cute it is. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's got a nice big handle. So it'll be great to be able to put on my arm with my coffee and the diaper bag and all of the things that I bring with me to church. So I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comment section what you take to church because I really want to know. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.